self-care right now. I have not done something like this in such a long time. I spent the entire day cleaning and making sure that I got caught up for the week. The last few months have been very, very, very hard for my mental health, so I have not had this burst of energy since the beginning of January. So I decided to take advantage and do everything that I've been meaning to do, like deep clean my house, do all the laundry. I have every single load of laundry washed, folded, and put away today. So I have zero laundry to do, and that is just such a good feeling. So between the boys and George, we all pretty much just caught up on cleaning. I delegated some of the house chores so that I wasn't obviously doing everything by myself. So we're all caught up, which feels really nice. And now that the day's over, I am going to do a self-care night. George is going to put the boys to bed, do bath time and all of that. And I'm going to take an everything shower. If you're a girl, you know. This is one of my favorite face masks. This is the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. So I'm going to let this sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to jump in the shower. Oh, before I do that, I'm going to do a hair oil, and this is by Fable in Maine. I've heard good things about this. This is for like hair growth, and I just wanted to try it out because I'm always interested in trying things out. So you just leave this on for like 10 minutes before you take a shower, and then you just rinse it off. So I'm gonna do that. This vlog is going to be all about getting our life back in order and trying to get myself back into the things that bring me joy. Tomorrow I might actually go to the gym in the morning. I have not been to the gym since the middle of January, so I'm excited to go and start getting back into a routine. So I'm hoping I wake up on time and go to the gym tomorrow morning. It still has to be at like 4 o'clock in the morning because of the schedule that I have with the kids, even with homeschooling. So unfortunately, that's just how it's gotta be. Probably not every single day though, because I can probably go to the gym with Alex and Leo. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. I'm all out of the shower. I really needed to take that shower. Our AC is actually not working right now. It won't cool down. So it is very hot inside the house, and especially because I've been cleaning and moving around all day, I have not been able to do anything without sweating. So definitely needed that shower. Doing my skincare, I haven't even been on top of my skincare this whole time because of how I've been feeling. And if you know me, I am very, very, very consistent on my skincare, but lately I just haven't been able to do it. So I'm doing it right now. I mean, I've been washing my face, but instead of doing like, you know, serums and all that stuff, I've just been doing moisturizer, sunblock, and then calling it a day, which probably is all you really need anyway. You don't need all the other things that most people put on nowadays on social media. It looks like the boys are still awake. They're not supposed to be awake. So I'm gonna go check what's happening. I'm going to leave my gym clothes out so that tomorrow morning I'm able to just put everything on and go to the gym. So I will talk to you guys bright and early, hopefully, tomorrow morning. From the gym. It is 6:10 a.m. I have plenty of time before I have to get my day started. Luca actually threw up last night in the middle of the night, so I think I'm gonna keep him home from school. This has been happening so much lately. Someone's always sick, and I cannot wait to get over this sickness thing that's going on in this house. So I'm about to drink a protein shake because if I don't drink it now, I will not drink it and I will not get enough protein for the day. But I'm also going to be taking some AG1. I'm so excited to be partnering up with them because I have been using AG1 for years. I saw an influencer talk about them years ago. I used their code and I was able to place an order, and I've been getting it ever since. So I keep mine in a fridge in this little canister right here just to keep it fresh. So it's got a scoop in there, and AG1 is great to support your immune system. It's a great way to get all your greens in. Ever since I had my surgery, one thing I struggle with is getting all my nutrients in. So having something like this is amazing. The way I like to drink mine is with some coconut water. You can honestly just do it however you want, but you really only need water and a scoop and you're good to go. You can just put it in a little bottle, shake it up, and that's it. They also have travel packs. So me as a flight attendant, these come in handy. I keep some in my lunch bag when I have these on hand, or George even takes them to the office. But I like to drink wine with coconut water. I just like it like that. That's the good thing about AG1 is that you can mix it up and customize it to however you want. It's got 75 vitamins and minerals. It's also dairy free, and they do try to source the best ingredients possible in order to create AG1. It's great for energy, it's great for focus, it's great for hair and nails. It helps combat healthy aging. And since I just worked out, it really helps with replacing micronutrients, especially on workout days. So for me, it's going to be very helpful. So I'm going to fill this up with some coconut water, and I'm going to show you guys how to drink it. You can use any coconut water. This is just the one that I like to use, or like I said, you can really just use water. Sometimes I'll put it in my smoothies just to, you know, sneak in a little bit of greens in there. And then I'm just gonna add a scoop and then just shake it up, and that's it. So if you use the link in my description box down below, you'll be able to get a year's supply of vitamin D3K2 and 5 travel packs. So make sure you do that, or make sure to scan the QR code in the bottom left of this video. So thank you so much to AG1 for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to partner up with them. I love working with brands that I personally use and personally love. So definitely give this a try if you haven't already. All right, so I'm gonna sit down and drink this, and I'm also going to start getting some work done. I'm going to take this time to edit a video. I was going to start getting ready for the day, but George is sleeping. I don't want to bother him since we were up late last night with Luca, and I'm gonna let him rest as much as he can. I have to edit this video and get it turned in today. Okay, so I got somewhat ready for the day. I gave the boys their breakfast, and I'm actually going to get Alex ready for his homeschool. He has to do some work, and then at 10 a.m. he has a live lesson, because he can do live lessons with his teacher sometimes if he has any questions. So he's gonna be working on math today, and this is how I have his schedule planned out and written out. So I bought this on Amazon, and I just have what he's gonna do in the morning. So get dressed, breakfast, 9 a.m. start math work, 10 a.m. live math lesson. He's gonna take a break at 11 a.m. because I have an appointment actually. So at 1 p.m. he's gonna start coding, and he should be done with school by 3 p.m. And it usually doesn't even take him that long to work on something. He'll be done within like 30 minutes or something, but I just like to give him enough time just in case. So I'm doing that. We're actually getting the AC guy to come and fix our AC right now, because I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but it's not working and it's been hot inside the house. So, oh yeah, I think I mentioned that yesterday. It's not working. So he's here today. I think he's outside because I see a van outside, and I hope that's him. So I'm drinking some matcha right now for some energy. George left about 30 minutes ago, so he left a little bit later than normal, but he's also gonna be home very late today. He's gonna be home at like 9 p.m. All right, so we have a Target delivery because I was not about to drag all 3 boys with me. You're gonna help Leo? Yeah. Yes? Okay, thank you.
I did this one.
So nothing too exciting. It's pretty much just food, but I wanted to try this. I saw it online, and it's the International Delight Cold Foam Creamer. I got the sweet and creamy flavor. I don't know about the sugar. It has 3 grams of sugar for 2 tablespoons, and I don't think I will put that much, but I'm very careful about sugar ever since I had my surgery. So maybe I'll make myself a coffee later and try it. Alex really likes these, so I got him these. Luca likes to have the same thing every single day for breakfast, so I got him 1. I asked for 2, but I think they only brought me 1. Leo and I both like yogurt, and we like this one, the Oikos 000. This one has 0 sugars, 0 artificial flavors, but I like this one because it has 15 grams of protein. I like the Pro one better because that one has 20 grams, but that was hard to find at my Target for some reason. Got them some Lunchables. Luca loves Hot Pockets, so I know it's not the healthiest, but I don't really talk a lot about Luca just because I like to respect his privacy, but he's very, very particular when it comes to his food. He has to have the same foods over and over every single day. He knows what he likes and that's what he eats, and I cannot get him to eat anything else. We're probably going to start some sort of therapy for that so that I can have some sort of advice and tools to help him learn and try different things. So we'll see how that goes. He likes apples, so he has like 2 apples a day, sometimes even 3. Got some stuff to make some cake, and this is the granola that I like to eat with my yogurt. And this is what I needed. I needed the Bizzle stain remover. I like to get the pet one because I feel like it's a little bit more intense. So this is what I needed to clean the carpet in the boys' room, but the AC guy's still here, so I can't really do that. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it today, honestly. We also got some yogurts and some eggs, but the rest is pretty much just snacks and fruit, so I'm gonna put everything away now. It's a little later. The AC guy left and the AC is fixed. I'm so happy. They're gonna come back tomorrow and do a little bit more maintenance, so hopefully that completely fixes it. But I'm about to tackle the boys' room. They are having their lunch right now. I had a therapy session. Alex is taking a break from homeschool, and I'm gonna start taking out their beds, and then I'm gonna vacuum the entire room and I'm gonna start shampooing the carpet. So wish me luck. Room is all vacuumed up. Now I'm going to start the shampooing. Good morning. It is the next day. I completely forgot to continue vlogging yesterday. It just got very crazy. But I managed to get the room clean. I put the beds back. George was able to help me with that so I don't have to do it by myself. And today is a new day. I went to the gym this morning. I woke up at 4, did my devotional. By 5 I was in the gym. But I did have to come home a little bit early because George was actually supposed to leave like at 6. So I was home right by 6. And he left to work, whatever. I ended up keeping Luca home from school one more day just in case. I don't want him throwing up in school and then me having to go pick him up and all that. So I figured I'd give him one more day. So we're just doing some homeschool work and then me doing some YouTube work. So we're just going to stay home today. So I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Make sure to check out AG1 in the description box down below so you're able to get some goodies for yourself. And I will see you guys in my next video.